Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Totoo pa lang siya, magandang po talaga. This year po, if I'm not mistaken, I'm celebrating my 40th year in the industry. I started when I was 7 years old and I joined Vitals Philippines. And of course, nag-umpisa po ako sa mga pelikula sa Viva. My first movie with Ate V, imagine, Uling Buksan ng Puso. And siguro po, in my 40 years, ang pinakamay pagmamalaki po, aside from the acting awards and recognitions, I was able to work with the best of their generations. Imagine from Ate V, Ate Guy, Kuya Boyen, of course, Inay Maria, and Ate Elty, Christopher De Leon, diba? And until Julian, of course, Claudine, up to my sis, Vice, imagine. And hanggang sa mga new breed of actors po ngayon, maraming salamat